Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to try a bunch of K-beauty products. So Stylevana kindly reached out to me. You know that I was previously working with Stylevana and I do have a discount code with them. I'm going to put it here on the screen and down below in my description box, and you are going to get up to 15% discount with your order. Depends on the value of the total amount you have at the checkout. But they are a big one-stop K-beauty shop. They are specialized on K-beauty skincare, but they do also have makeup, hair care, body care, and even fashion. So yeah, if you are interested, I'll have all the details on the top of my description box, so you are welcome to have a look over there. I'm going to try a bunch of makeup products that they kindly sent to me, and whatever I do not have for a full face of makeup, I'm going to fill in with other K-beauty products that I received previously from Stylevana, and if I don't have, I'm going to use more affordable type of drugstore products. So yeah, this is the plan for today, and if you're interested about this, just grab a coffee, grab a snack, because this might be a little bit more long and chatty video. So let's get started. I have used a Stylevana SPF. I'm going to put it here on the screen because I didn't grab it with me. And for foundation, let's first take everything out. The products are here. I'm very excited. I have a product that I wanted to try from a long time, and a product that is actually a returning, and I especially picked it up because it's one of my all-time favorite makeup products from Stylevana. The base product that I'm going to try for the first time today, it's this Purito BB cream, and I have the shade Dash 21 Light Beige, and this is a healthy looking glow, flawless coverage, and EO and fragrance free product. So you do have 101 fluid ounces, and the Purito, it's also vegan, and I'm not sure if it's also cruelty free, but I will list it in case it is. And what I love about Stylevana is that you have the expiration date even on makeup products. So this BB cream expires in the end of 2025, so 13th of December 2025. And it's very important for foundations, for mascara, especially to know when they are going to expire, because even though you don't open them, they might expire if you keep them too much. So I have high hopes for this product. I'm not very sure about shade, but being a BB cream, I do hope it is forgiving. So we have a seal, and I'm also going to update you how the BB cream has been wearing throughout the day. Maybe I will test it a few more times before uploading the video, and I will have the information in my description box. Okay, I'm a bit worried because I see that this is a bit dark for me, but it's a neutral shade, so hopefully, oh okay, it's not, it's more on the grayish side. I think we might make it work. I'm going to use this brush from Shein, so I can definitely tell that the consistency, it's thick, it's more like a thick balm, but I love the way it spreads on my face and has a nice scent, more natural scent. I will not say that it's something chemical inside. It has a gray undertone, I will say. It's not dark, just it has this gray undertone. But to be honest, I rather prefer that than pink. So let's come closer. It looks very natural. Doesn't look like I have something or anything on my face. Now I see why some of my friends love this product. It's really nice. And if you are wondering what's with my pigtails, with my braided tails, my hair is quite dirty. I just returned from my Italy trip and I didn't have time to wash my hair, so I wanted to have it somehow because it doesn't have any shape. It's even not the wash time, but yeah, all the dirt and everything has definitely contributed, and my hair needs a good wash, which I didn't have time to do it as of now. So for concealer, first I'm going to use this, which is a corrector. This is from the brand Skin Food, and it's a under eye corrector in a salmon shade. I love this one so much. We got this in the Stylevana Advent Calendar, and as you can tell, I have used quite a chunk. So I use this to cover my under eye blues, which now are even more pronounced due to the lack of sleep that I've been getting or not getting for the past few days. Let's zoom you a bit in. But I love the way that the BB cream looks. I almost don't need to set it with powder. Alright, I do not have any bronzer from K-Beauty, so I'm going to use this from e.l.f. This is the Putty Bronzer in the shade Honey Drip, I believe. And this is so creamy that you can even spread it with your hand. I'm going to set everything with my Catrice powder. I just realized that I didn't grab a under eye setting brush, so I'm going to use this one, which is actually a blush brush by Reflin. And also with a larger brush, I'm going to set my T-zone with this amazing setting powder. I'm very excited to try this eyeshadow palette. This is the Eulalia Glitterpedia eye palette. It's a neutral palette, and of course I keep it upside down, so this is what she looks like. You have here the palette name, Eulalia. You have here the brand name, and on the back side you have the shade names. So everything is untouched because I received the package on the day prior leaving to, actually in the same day when I was leaving to Italy. I'm going to first use this shade over here to set my primer, and some of the brushes are from my trip. I didn't have time to wash them, but I was washing well while I was there. And I love the way it blends. Now I realize that I didn't do my brows, and I also have a K-Beauty product, but I'm going to do this afterwards. Furthermore, I'm going to take this shade, which is a matte taupey shade. I can say that it blends really nice. I'm going to change brushes, and I'm going to take this dark shade. They also have name. This is the Sensual, the dark shade. And those two that I used, first it's the Meg or Meek, and the second one is Ceremony. Okay, shadows are buttery, but they definitely are not that pigmented, which we already know about K-Beauty makeup. With the same brush, this is a Zoeva 231. I'm going to use those two shades and then the dark one on my lower lashes. For my lid, we have so many beautiful shades. I even don't know what I'm going to try. Let's watch some of them. It looks nice, but I think I'm going to spray a bit the brush. So I'm going to use this shade, which is called Moment. Oh, this is a different story. This is, as of now, the eye makeup. It's not yet done, so I have used this shade. I used this shade in my inner. portion of the eye, but I also used a spray because I've seen that the glitter has a bit of a fallout. This is very beautiful shade. But now, as I told you, I'm going to do my brows because I can't stand myself seeing like this. This is by McQueen New York. It's a brow pencil. If I will find the shade name, I will put it on the screen. It's also from Stylevana. And you have a brush on the end and triangular Korean. But this wasn't sent today. The next product that I'm going to try in today's video is a eyeliner from the brand Merzi or Merzi. I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce it. And this is the first pen eyeliner. The shade is Brownie. Ooh, this is a liquid liner. Oh, and it has a brush tip. I love it. I love brush tip, you know me. Because look, it's so easy to glide on. This wing always goes up because of the shape of the eye, you know, that's why I told you that I never can do my eye shapes to match my winged liner, but doesn't matter, we are good like that. I'm going to show you the mascara that I picked up, and this is a returning on my channel. This is the Heimish Baileys Smudge Stop Mascara. I love this mascara. This is a tubing mascara, and my friend Jackie Naturals, she also has a collaboration video with Stylevana this month, so I'm going to link her video down below in case that it's already up. If not, just check the description box because I'm going to update it, and she also loves this one. So we both love it, and we both think that this is a tubing mascara formula, just it's not recognized to say that. So this is this Smudge Stop mascara. I believe the shade is black, and this expires in 2025 April 10th. So this is the packaging, just black with gold, and here we have written Heimish, and this is the brush. It's a slightly curved natural brush. I hope you are able to tell, but I just love it because it works beautifully on my eyes, and it lifts and does as much all day, and it's easy to remove it. So this is a wet formula, but it's a good formula, I would say. Just you see that I'm not able to apply mascara, especially on camera, so I need to wait to dry to be able to clean the smudge that I did. So while that dries out, I'm going to apply my blush. This is the blush from the brand Romand, and is Better Than Cheek Milk series in the shade Strawberry Milk. Oh, this is so pretty. Just I'm afraid that it might be too light for me. Let's see. Oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's a light pink, it's a baby pink. Yeah, probably it will not be visible, but we are still going to try it. I'm going to use this brush from Refru, the brush 04, that is for blush. Yes, it adds a bit of a color to my cheek, and it's very matte and it blurs the skin. You will probably not be able to see because it's too light for camera, but I love the way this looks on me. And you know that K-Beauty, it's all about enhancing the natural beauty and not cover it. So all those products are not highly pigmented. Just to have a bit of a definition, I'm going to use the bronzer and the highlighter from this Rimmel palette. Alright, so now we have the face done. It's very natural, a la K-Beauty style, and we only have the lips. So for this, we have the Dew Velvet by Amuse. So this is good until 2024 August 27. So yeah, you are able to. And let's see what we have here. Maybe I'm going to use a lip liner prior. Ooh, this is gorgeous shade. I even did not realize that those shades are matching. So we have a doe foot applicator. It's not that pigmented, that scary, like you see it on the actual tube. But this is a lip stain, now I remember. K-Beauty does really great lip stains. Because they stain, but they are also hydrating in the meantime. You see, it looks like velvet. But you can use your lip liner if you want to have more definition and more color payoff. And you also can build up the color. Alright you guys, and this is everything I have tried today from Stylevana, starting with the BB cream. I love the shade. I thought it will not match me, but somehow it does wonder, and it looks very natural, but it's not settled onto my fine lines. If you check my texture and everything, looks more flawless. Also, the eyeshadow palette is really natural. It's not very pigmented, so it's beginner friendly. If you are more scared about using eyeshadow and you are just starting, I highly recommend you a palette that it will not just pack a punch, and after that you are just not able to do much, just have to blend. So it's better to have something which is not very pigmented and you just add gradually, and it's very easy to build. Just I will advise you to use a liquid, a setting spray for the glittery shades. I am surprised about the eyeliner. It's probably one of my favorite products because it's a brush tip and also because it's very easy to apply. It's not patchy, and I will update you, but I'm sure that it will last all day. One of my all-time favorite K-Beauty product is the Heimish mascara. I'm also loving the blush. It's subtle and doesn't pack a punch, so on natural makeup days this is wonderful, and I love the fact that where you applied it, it blurs the skin. So I'm not very happy when I apply my blush and I see my pores popping through, but this blush, it's blurring the skin. I will come close. I'm not sure if you'll be able to pick up, but it just did wonder. So I will be interested to pick up other shades from this product. Of course, I'm loving the lip stain. I'm yet to find a lip stain from Stylevana, from a K-Beauty brand, that I do not love. So this is very, very flattering, natural, and also comfortable. It's your turn now to let me know down below in my comment section what was the favorite product of today's video. I want to give a huge shout out and a special thanks to Stylevana for reaching out to me yet again and giving me the opportunity to try some of their amazing makeup products and share with you my honest opinion. And if it's something which you want more information, do not hesitate to ask that in the comment section down below. So thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to check the description box and use this discount code if you want to get a discount on your order with Stylevana. And other than that, I hope you have a fantastic day. Don't forget that the most beautiful makeup is your own smile, and I'm going to see you really soon with another video. Bye bye!